Oh yeah. We are cooking, boys. Hell yeah. I'm so fucking happy. We'll melt the heat shrinks. Because it works. Hell yeah. Fucking stoked with that, dude. Alright, that feels pretty good. Let's get a close-up video. So, yeah. Okay, boys. Let's get this done. So, pretty much everything on this table I think I'll need. Yeah, I bought this thing to hold the PCB. I've got some backup wire here in case I ruin the clips on the board, on the transistor. Existing ones. And yeah, there's more in that packet there. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Let's get this done. Okay boys, so I think we're gonna use the case off my new one because this one's definitely been used. Yeah, we'll pull this thing apart. So there's a screw in here. Screw here. Now this one is actually longer than the rest. So that's the one that came out of there. So make sure you remember that. And there's another 3. Third one. Pretty sure that's it for the back. Nice. So everything looks fine in here. Doesn't look wet. No water damage. We're good. Now we're gonna get this thing out. So pull this. And that puppy's out. So we're going to keep this inside bit, put that back in, so that's what holds the case together. The case screws into there, this screws into there. So that one's the same size as the other one, so we'll chuck that in there, put that aside. So I'm gonna twist this end over, I reckon. So now the scary part, ruining this, cutting through that capacitor. Transistor. Now I've heat shrunk these. So I put the connectors that slid into that thing on the end of this, and I'm gonna slide those over the pins and hot glue it upright first, and then kink it over and put another dab of hot glue there. So yeah, I'm just gonna actually double check the wire connections and try again. Gotta hold that for a while. Okay. Just cleared the holes out. I reckon that'll make it easier. Time to get the light out, boys. Okay, boys. Is that cool? Let's see what happens. It's working, boys. Alright, boys, I'm going to do a quick Dremel on this case. Just going to take a bit out of the middle and yeah, you can have a look in a bit. Okay, boys, so I Dremeled that out about as deep as I think I should go. Maybe I could go deeper, but I'll see how it feels when I put her on top. Alright, boys, let's see if this works. Back together. Bit janky, but see if she goes. Let's see if this works. Yes, boys. That control is unreal. Let's go. Gonna have to move everything over this thing here. She's gonna be ages away, boys. Alright, boys, decided not to film the whole thing. I'm gonna cut back to when I've got it sorted. I might move this over there. Fuck yes, boys. Okay, boys, she's good. So, chuck the turbo button over here. That's where that ended up. Throttle's there. Got my brakes sitting a lot higher than they were before, which I love. Put this protective sleeve, so that's where the dual motor splits off this cable line. It actually joins into 3 down here. Like 3 of these go into 1 cable down here. So yeah, PBS sleeves on there, run up underneath, and yeah, let's go for a friggin' ride on this thing. Hell yeah. Alright boys, see how this thumb throttle goes. It's a bit cold out here. That's nice. How about I pull over and turn the phone light on for you so you can see the bars a bit better. Hopefully this makes it a bit better so you can see the throttle. She is fucking beautiful, boys. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this thing at all. So keen to test it out tomorrow. Alright boys, so it looks like she was 100% success. Boys, it's freezing. I cannot be out here for too long. It's beautiful, boys. It's a beautiful thing, a thumb throttle. The only thing is, my finger rests too high up on this lever. I reckon we need to get a modified lever on this thing. Yeah. That's next step. Needs more of a bend here. So it could easily. Alright boys. We cannot complain about that. Alright boys, we're going to wrap up the video. 100% success if you ask me now. Did cost me $109 for a new EY3. Thanks to Scooter Hut for hooking me up. I'm going to fill this up with silicone tonight. Got some black silicone. Not, you know, overfill it, but fill that gap at least. Yeah. So next mod will probably be a twist throttle on another EY3 that I can just swap out. Then possibly I might not need to mod that if I can get that further that way, which it would be with the twist throttle, I assume. So yeah, yeah, if you like the video, there's a bit all over the shop, I'm sure of it. Hit the like button, I guess, and subscribe. I'd love to see the channel hit like 50 subscribers like by the end of the year. That would be crazy. Alright, cheers boys, see ya.